Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of $30.810. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, there is a good volatility we have seen, but after this range breakout happens, we have seen there is a continuous upside, and chances can be high that if the price keep moving above a level of 31.7, then we can see it can go further high, because see, there is a U pattern forming, and chances of going further upside we can see, though we can see a probability of 32.5 also, and then it can cross a level of 34 also. There is higher chances of it. Looking at this particular chart, see, there is a bigger U pattern has formed. This particular U pattern, after that, this is a buy situation, a level of around $30.5. This was the buy situation at this particular level, and see, then it has already made a half around 34.9. After that, there is a continuous fall we have seen, but it took a strong support at a level of $29.8. Okay, that is where it trying to sustain more. So if the price keeps sustaining above this level, which is already above a level of 30.8, so we can see there will be an upside, and chances of crossing a level of 31.7 will be there. And if that keeps sustaining above this level, we can see a level of 32.6, and then it can go towards a level of $34. Okay, if you look at this particular trend of silver, how it was moving, see, it mostly moves in a zone, and when there is a breakout happens, that is where we have seen a good fall. Okay, now if you look at the price of silver has already moved out of a zone, bigger zone of 30.2, which was trading for a long period of time. Okay, it is trading above a level of $30. So probability can be high that if the price keep moving above a level of 32.5 or 32.6, then we can see there will be a further upside movement. But if it started falling below a level of 29.6, that is where we can see it can come down. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, see, if you look at the dollar index, you will see clearly that the dollar index is trying to go higher, and it has already moved above a level of 106.5. Okay, which is a strong resistance previously. Now the price is moving above this level, and this is a clear pattern towards an upside. So probability of crossing a level of 107.4 we can see, and then it can cross a level of 108. So, and once the price started going above 108, a further high we can see. Okay, so when I'm saying the dollar index started going higher, we can see the gold price will, or silver price will come down, because these are metals. Okay, and when the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold and silver price will go up. Okay, so when the price started falling below a level of 106.5, then we can see it can fall further towards 106, and from there it can go further down towards 105.3, and then it towards a level of 105. And once the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall will be there. Now coming back on the silver price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances of going towards a level of around 31.1 will be there, and which is already been tested twice. So chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can go towards $31.6. Suppose if the price moving above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 32.2 will be there, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of 32.7. Suppose if the price moving above this level, chances of touching a level of $33 will be there, and if the price moving above that particular zone, we can see it will touch a level of $33.5. Okay, suppose if the price moving over a level of 33.5, then it can touch a level of 33.8, and from there a level of $34.6. Okay, and once the price moving above a level of 33.8 to a level of 34.6, and then it can touch a level of 34.8, and then a new high we can see after a very long time. Okay, but as I've already explained you, market is uncertain, so always try to set the SL so it will save your capital, and always try to trail your SL so it will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Whether you start your trade or no, you have to understand that whenever you starting your trade, you have to put the SL, it start in profit. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards a level of around 30.4, and after that started falling below this particular level, a level of 29.8, which is already being tested. So chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can touch a level of $29.2. Then there will be a zone breakout. So further downfall we can see towards a level of $27.6. Okay, understand, as soon as the price started falling below level 29.8, chances of moving out of the zone will be there, and then we can see it can go towards 29, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of around 27. Okay, because if you look at this particular trend, 27.9 is a level at this particular level, but chances are very high it will cross that particular level and can go towards a level of $27.6. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so further fall we can see. Again I repeat, if the price started falling below this particular level, chances of touching a level of 30.1 will be there, and then it will cross a level of 29.6. Okay, because 31 point, and this is already being tested, so chances of touching 29.6 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout. So for the fall we can see towards 29.1, and then it will go below a level of 28.87, and then it will go towards 27.6. So you have to keep it in mind, as soon as the price started falling below 29.6, we can see there will be a further fall, and it can go below a level of 28 also. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.